My name is Pranav Sanjay. I am from Sangli, Maharashtra. I completed my BTech in Electrical Engineering from PPT College of Sangli.
My name is Komal and I am from Maharashtra. I did my BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication and my college name is DKT Italkaranchi.
My name is Atharv. I have completed my bachelor's in technology from WIT Solapur in electronics engineering.
While my academics, I worked on my project, which is bidirectional DC converter. Actually, that project was related to Emertxe. That time I don't know anything about that. But that project sparked my interest in embedded system and motivated me to develop a career in this field. So after that, I started for institutes. After that, I joined university to strengthen my embedded skills. Actually, the teaching is totally different from my college because I did not know any programming language before that. After coming here only, the mentors from here, they understood my problem and they teach, and because of that, I learned programming language. Try to solve the all assignments and project by your own because in interview they will not ask you like the only the explanation. They will ask any code also. I have completed total 10 projects based on the C, C++, CNC and LI also. And in interview, most of the companies from automotive sector, from aerospace, from another fields. So these the projects like can make the automotive dashboard. It was helpful for me to get a job in automotive sector. I attended only one interview. That time I rejected from HR round. After that, the mentor from Emertxe they explained me how to perform in HR round. Because of that, in this interview, I cracked the HR round also. It was for three rounds. First was technical, last was the HR round. First technical round, they asked all about C only, like programming questions and some basic questions. In second round, they mainly focused on C and MC. In MC, can protocol, IT protocol, most of question on the protocol only. And last round was the HR round. When I come here, I don't know anything about the embedded system. It was difficult for me for the first 2-3 months. After that, because of some mentors, I like to learn new things, and now I am confident in embedded system that I can build a career in embedded system.
I developed interest in embedded system in my BTech third year only because there was one subject like microcontrollers and I decided to join embedded system. I searched a lot for any course in embedded system, so I got to know about Emertxe. Teaching method in college is also good, but in C language, I didn't know that much in depth or advanced C I don't know in college. But in Emertxe Institute, I got to know about advanced C and practical and bitwise operators. And teaching method in college, like for microcontroller, is also different. There was not any practical, but in Emertxe Institute, I got hardware of microcontroller, so I learned more about that. Assignments and projects are very important because the interviewer will ask most of the questions from that only, and doing assignment will help you to got concept in depth, and doing project is also helpful for interviews. I completed 7 projects and it helps a lot. Interviewer asks questions on project on each module. Each project I have explained. So I have attended 3 interviews before, and at that time I got rejected because my coding was weak at that time, and for one company and for another company I don't know that much about Linux internals. Then I revised that all concept, then at last I know all modules, so I got placed. Overall journey is very good because mentors are friendly in nature and they will solve any doubt at any time. If mentors are not available, we can message also them. They will solve our doubt on message also.
In my college days, I was doing a project called home automation. I used Arduino Uno at that time. So I developed interest in embedded at this time. Writing a code to a microcontroller was fun. Academic subjects were focused on just passing the subject. It never developed any skill that would actually get you a job. Emertxe is focused on developing a skill that will get you a job. Assignments and projects are focused to develop your skills. So most of the assignments, if you do honestly, you can just get a job. So I completed 8 projects in my journey with Emertxe. Each project has a particular reason behind doing it. So you will develop a unique skill with every project. This was my first interview, so I was never interviewed before, and it was of 2 rounds. So first was of C, mostly C, and second was of C, MC, and basic electronics. So basic electronics is also important thing. You should have a knowledge of that. Overall journey was great. The journey was great because of the mentors and especially because of the lab mentors. They are very friendly, very helpful. So you can just ask them anything related to assignment, classworks, or projects.
I would suggest my juniors that try to focus on interview questions which they shared in groups. Don't ignore the interview questions because those are the real-time interview questions which was asked during interviews. So prepare that interview question; it will be helpful for you.
I will suggest that focus on all modules and complete your assignments with your own. For if you have any doubt, then you should ask to your mentors. Don't do ChatGPT. If you are looking to join any embedded system course, or if you want to do your career in embedded systems or electronics, then you should join Emertxe Institute, Bangalore.
So I would suggest my juniors that you should focus on C, and you should do all the assignments on time, and please do not copy the assignments, as the assignments and classworks help me in my placement process.